Okay. Good morning. Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Beradasti. Today, I would like to explain solve numerical based on or the method is Newton-Raphson method. And today, we have to solve the numerical on accuracy criteria. So, in previous or in yesterday's lecture, we have solved numerical based on iteration criteria for Newton-Raphson method. So, for this subject, that is subject name is numerical and statistical methods. Unit number 1 is roots of equation and simultaneous equation. So, in previous lecture, we have solved numericals on bisection method. That is, for first part of unit 1 is roots of equation. We have to find the root of equation using two important methods. First method is bisection method and second method is Newton-Raphson method. And the B part of this unit number 1 is simultaneous equation. Again, for simultaneous equation, there are three important methods to solve equations. Okay, based on So today solve numerical based on Newton-Raphson method. So let us start. The numerical problem is I just write down the numerical. Find the root of find the root of x cube minus 20x. Find the root of x cube minus 20x plus 20. Find the root of x cube minus 20x plus 20 equal to 0 by Newton-Raphson method. By Newton-Raphson method. By Newton-Raphson method. Take initial guess. As 1. Take initial guess as 1 up to accuracy. Up to accuracy 0.001. Up to accuracy 0.001. So let us solve this numerical based on Newton-Raphson method. That is based on again what accuracy criteria. Based on accuracy criteria. So let us solve this numerical. Given, I just write down here the given. What is given? Equation f of x, function equation f of x is given is equal to x cube minus 20x plus 20 equal to 0. Function equation is given, then it's also given that take initial guess at 1. Initial guess is x1, value is given as 1. Take initial guess as 1 and up to accuracy. Accuracy is given. Accuracy is 0.001. Up to accuracy 0.001. So let us start to solve this numerical. So first step, What is first step? First step is we have to derive or taking first derivative of function. So solution is step first. What is step first? Step first is calculate the value of f dash of x1. We have what? We have f of x function equation x cube minus 20x plus 20. X cube minus 20x plus 20. We have f of x cube minus 20x plus 20. f of x1 is x. Before that, to find f dash of x. To find f dash of x. Derivative of this function f of x. F dash of x means what? D by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x is 3x square minus 20. Derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of 20x 20 into 1 plus derivative of 20 constant, that is 0. Derivative of 20 with respect to x is 0, means f dash of x is nothing but 3x square minus 20. 3x square minus 20, and x1 is given as 1. x1 is given as 1. Find f of x1 and f dash of x1. Find f of x1 and f dash of x1. f of x1 is nothing but we have to put x as 1 into f of x equation. 1 cube minus 20 into 1 plus 20 means f of x1, value of f of x1 by calculation is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 f of x1. Okay. Then find f dash of x1. How to find f dash of x1? We have to put here into this equation x as 1. Means f dash of x1 is nothing but 3 into x square. Means 3 into 1 square minus 20. Minus 20 means f dash of x1 is equal to minus 17 by calculation. By calculation, the dash of x1 is equal to minus 17. Next step, after calculating f of x1 and f dash of x1, use Newton-Raphson formula. What is Newton-Raphson formula? Newton-Raphson formula is x2 is equal to x1, that is x2 is nothing but root of equation. Formula to find root of equation. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Newton-Raphson formula. Then find, next step, find x2. Put values of x1, f of x1 and the dash of x1. By calculation, x2 is equal to x1 is 1 minus f of x1 is 1 upon f dash of x1 is minus 17. Minus 17. By calculation, x2 is equal to 1.0508. By calculation, x2 is equal to 1.0588. First root of equation. First root of equation. But this numerical is based on accuracy criteria. So our next task to find accuracy. Find accuracy. How to find accuracy? We have mod of x2 minus x1. We have an equation mod of x2 minus x1 is less than accuracy or not. You have to check either mod of x2 minus x1 is less than accuracy or not. So x2 is 1.0588 and x1 is 1. x1 is 1. By calculation, mod of this is 0.0588. 0.0588. But it is given, but accuracy is given as 0.001. Up to this accuracy, you have to find the root of equation, that is 0.001. But the difference between x2 and x1 is 0.0588. This 0.0588 is greater than 0.001. Is greater than 0.001, means we have to perform next iteration up to less than. Our answer is less than. When that answer comes, answer means difference between x2 minus x1. When it comes less than 0.001, then you can say that accuracy criteria is satisfied, or that root, that is x2 is nothing but root of that equation. When it satisfies the condition of accuracy, that is condition of accuracy is mod of x2 minus x1 less than accuracy. This the mod of this value, mod of x2 minus x1 should be less than accuracy. Okay. So we have to perform next iteration number 2. So for iteration number 2, you have to replace x2 by x1. For iteration number 2, because required x1, that is initial case. Again, for iteration 2, what about x1? For x1, replace x2 by x1. We have to replace x2 by x1. Means for iteration number 2, take x1 as x2. Means x1 is 1.0588. That is the previous values of iteration 1, that is root x2 is nothing but x1. We have to take that is equal to 1.0588 is x1 for next iteration. Again, repeat procedure. What is first step then? Find f of x1, f dash of x1 and x2. x2 is, what is x2? x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So find f of x1. Put x1 as 1.0588 into function equation. So f of x1 is 3x cubed. 3x cubed. Here x1 is x cube x cube. X cube is 1.0588 cube. Equation is x cube minus 20x plus 20. 20x, x is 1.0588. 0588 plus 20 plus 20. By calculation, f of x1. F of x1 is 0.0109. 0.0109. F of x1. Again, find f dash of x1. How to find f dash of x1? Put x1 as 1.0588 into f dash of x equation. F dash of x1 is 3x square minus 20. Means 3 into x. X is here 1.0588. x1 square minus 20. Minus 20. By calculation, f dash of x1 is minus 16.6368 minus 16.6368. So after calculating the terms f of x1 and f dash of x1, find x2. Root x2. x2 is nothing but x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So put values of x2, x1, f of x1 and f dash of x1. Again find x2 and check for accuracy. So x2 is equal to x1 is 1.0588 minus f of x1 is 0.0109 divided by f dash of x1 minus 16.6368. By calculation, x2, find x2. x2 value of x2 is 1.0594. Value of root of equation x2 1.0594. And next step, check for accuracy. Check for accuracy. Whether the x2 value of x2 is within accuracy or not. How to check accuracy? We have mod of x2 minus x1 less than accuracy or not. Less than accuracy or not. We have to check for accuracy. x2 value of x2, new value of x2 is 1.0594 minus x1. x1 is previous value of x1, that is 1.0588. That is this value 1.0588. 1.0588. By calculation, this mod of x2 minus x1 is 0.000006. What it indicates? It indicates that this 0.0006 is less than accuracy, because here accuracy is 0.001, means this 0.0006 is less than given accuracy, means accuracy condition is satisfied, means here we have to stop to find the roots, that is x2, because accuracy criteria is satisfied, that is 0.006 is the difference between x2 minus x1, means our answer for this function equation is x2 is equal to 1.0594, and here perform two iterations. For two iterations, get answer for root of equation based on accuracy criteria for Newton-Raphson method. So in detail, solve this numerical based on accuracy criteria for second type, that is Newton-Raphson method. So today we stop here. Next lecture we solve next numerical for Newton-Raphson method based on iteration criteria. Thank you.